Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you December 2020 monthly forecast. All the predictions are based on moon sign, but you can use this prediction according to your Lagna Rashi as well. If you know your ascendant, your rising sign, then you can use this prediction according to your Lagna, according to your rising sign, as well as your moon sign. You can follow this according to that. Choice is yours. The base is Indian Vedic astrology for all of you. December 2020 monthly forecast for all of you. Gemini, the coming month, December 1st, thing first transit. Transit of Mercury for Gemini in 6th house, your own Lord planet Mercury, transiting in 6th house Gemini, 28th November till 17th December. The Mercury transiting in 6th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 6th house from your moon sign. Transit of Mercury in 6th house from your moon sign. When the Mercury moves through your 6th house from your moon sign, this indicates mixed bag of positive, negative, both. This particular period indicates success, stability, progression in your personal life, professional life. Mercury transit in 6th house from your moon sign. Your plans and projects will be successfully accomplished and you will also gain from the same. Mercury transit from 6th house from your moon sign. You also likely to do better in your work front. Mercury transit in the 6th house from your moon sign. You may expect a progression in your undertaking. This period also indicates your popularity in society. When the Mercury transit in 6th house from your moon sign, your status in society is also likely to be heightened. Health should be fine and you would also have a mental peace of mind and contentment. When the Mercury transit in 6th house from your moon sign, and this particular moment of Mercury will bring in some worries and trouble from enemies. You may have to be extra careful with your finances, your financial decision, your professional decision. Avoid any kind of arguments with your employer. It's better to stay away from activity involving risk to your health, well-being. Be careful. And body heat may trouble you during this phase of time. And especially when the Mercury is transit in 6th house, you have to be very extra careful regarding your lower abdomen, your blood, your urine, your legs, your feet, and anything to do with digestive system, anything to do with the lower abdomen, below the bottom of belly. Be extra careful. If you have an issue regarding urine infection or male or female health issues, you have to be extra careful. Transit of Venus in 6th house, 11th December till 4th of January. When the Venus transiting in 6th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 6th house from your moon sign. When the Venus is transiting in 6th house from your moon sign, this time period bringing some trying time for you. This period sees you going through lots of trouble in your undertaking. There's a chance that your enemies will try to tarnish your image and you might get involved in a fight with your business partner or your colleagues. You have to compromise with your enemies against your will. Avoid any kind of argument with your family members, particularly this phase. It is advised that you are avoiding traveling long distance. You are susceptible to face a lot of accidents during this phase of time. Health would be requiring extra attention. You're likely to suffer from ill health, mental unrest, anxiety, fear. And may I say that this time period, when the Venus is transiting in, may I say, 6th house from your moon sign, you have to be very focused what you want to achieve. And hold on to your respect and honor in society, and this could be a risk. But don't take any kind of unnecessary risk, particularly this time. Otherwise, you have to face humiliation. Useless discussion, litigation should be avoided when the Venus transiting in 6th house from your moon sign. Transit of Sun in 7th house, 15th December till 14th of January. The Sun transiting in 7th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 7th house from your moon sign. The Sun is transit 7th house from your moon sign. This give a tendency for travel, but such travel will tend to be tiring and troubled. You need to be extra careful not to be challenged for your seniors or superior at workplace. You're likely to oppose you. Those people can oppose you, resulting in enmity and humiliation. When the Sun is transiting in 7th house, even the relationship with your partner or neighbors may be strained at this particular time, especially when the Sun is transiting 7th house from your moon sign. Your level of enthusiasm may be at the low, resulting in inability to overcome obstacles that come in your way of achieving your dream, objective, or goal during this phase of time. This period will take you go through some setbacks in your professional activity with general lack of progression and success. Your health would require care, attention. You're more susceptible to health problems, particularly discomfort in the stomach, lower abdomen, blood-related issues, fever, fatigue, male or female health issues. Be extra cautious with your diet to avoid indigestion, food poisoning, food allergy. The health of your partner or family will be also under pressure. Transit of Mercury in 7th house, 17th December till 5th of January. When the Mercury transiting in 7th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 7th house from your moon sign. The transit of Mercury in 7th house from your moon sign, this time period when the Mercury transit 7th house from your moon sign, this bring in some trying time for you both mentally and physically. This period indicate illness. You may have to experience physical pain and bodily weakness during this phase of time. Mentally you become restless, anguished when the Mercury transit in 7th house from your moon sign. A rise in mental perplexity and misunderstanding with your own people, with family members, friends, colleagues, superiors, as also indicated this time period. You may have to be extra careful to avoid any arguments and communication gap while dealing with your spouse, with your life partner or business partner, and also your colleagues, especially if you are working on a joint venture. Taking care to avoid any kind of situation where you may have to face humiliation. Be extra careful when you transit of Mercury in 7th house from your moon sign. Make sure there should not be communication gap between you and the people around you. Refrain from any kind of communication gap. You could feel more hassled as you're likely to face hurdles in your undertaking. Travel plan, if any, may not bring any kind of expected results. Could be troublesome, especially if you're business traveling. If you're doing, sometime expected achievements will not be there if you're traveling for business, especially this particular period when the Mercury transit in 7th house from your moon sign. Transit of Mars in 11th house, 24th December till 22nd February. The Mars transit in 11th house, Gemini, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mars in 11th house from your moon sign. The transit of Mars in 11th house from your moon sign is this bring a happy time for you, for your family. Transit of Mars in 11th house from your moon sign. This period bestow you with land, property, assets, profit in your field of business, activity or trade. Some of you likely to gain from the sibling, family members, business partner. When the Mars is transit 11th house, this could also prove to be good timing for those who are employed. Some of you expecting a rise in your income, position of authority, position at the workplace. Mars transit 11th house, moreover all your undertaking are likely to succeed in bringing you good profit and gains. This could be regarded as a time when you would see improvement not only in your professional life but also be personal life, day-to-day life. When the Mars transit 11th house, you may also expecting an upward move to your social status, prestige, respect during this phase of time. Your personality would glow, reflecting your accomplishments. Some of you also expecting a new member of the family, bringing you more happiness and domestic peace. Your family life and sibling will bring more happiness. Health sector should be fine, keeping you hale and hearty, free from any health problem. You also likely to feel more fearless than ever. With the help of task precaution chanting, you can sort out yourself. You must sort out yourself. Regarding Saturn, very important, Gemini. Jupiter, very prominent planet for you. Rahu, Sun, Mercury, very important. You got to sort it out. Saturn position in 8th house can dominate your profession as well as your personal life. Jupiter is also very extremely important, Gemini. Marriage and profession together. If you acquire a professional qualification and you want to see the worth of yourself through that, you got to sort out your Jupiter. Sun and Mercury, very important, darn important. Health, happiness, harmony. Decision maker you want to be in your favor, you got to sort it out. No escape. Rahu's position, unexpected financial losses, bad debts, risky investment can go out of hand. So you got to sort out Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Sun, Mercury. For that, you need to go to the website prakashastrologer.com, acquire the full monthly horoscope report and implement the whole monthly horoscope report in your routine. Discover what the whole month is going to bring for you and learn what you need to do to balance the month. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough Moon Sign Monthly Horoscope Report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.